13 on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
Welcome back, West Michigan. I'm meteorologist Colton Woods. A very messy 48 hours ahead of us. We're tracking rain, thunderstorms, freezing rain, and blowing and drifting snow as we head into Monday. That's why your 13 weather ball is blinking bright. Tons of precipitation is in sight. This view brought to you by LaFontaine Lincoln of Grand Rapids. Temperatures right now are generally above freezing. However, areas in the purple in that winter weather advisory, including Lake, Newaygo, and Macassa and Osceola counties, some areas are below freezing. So we are at least anticipating some slick roads as the rain continues to move on in. Over the past few hours, you can see this pink region, that is actually freezing rain. So do at least see some slick roads off to the north toward Big Rapids, but most of us are above freezing, just seeing plain rain along into the south of I-96 right now. Temperature-wise, painting the picture well, above freezing for most of West Michigan, including Grand Rapids and Muskegon at 36. 43 in South Haven, but like I mentioned, it's colder off to the north where some slick roads are possible. Macassa sitting at 31 and Big Rapids sitting at 32. Hour by hour today shows temperatures will continue to warm up. It'll actually be a pretty mild day today. Highs climbing into the upper 40s later today, if not pushing 50 here in Grand Rapids, with the rain pretty likely all day long, especially in the late morning and early afternoon hours. Tracking the rain out hour by hour today shows by 9 a.m. we're expecting moderate rain to move up toward I-96. Late in the morning and heading into the afternoon, heavy rain will be possible at times, even a few thunderstorms toward I-94. We're not expecting severe weather, but some rumbles of thunder do look pretty likely. Going into the late afternoon and evening hours, some spottier rain showers will continue. Heavy at times, though, before all that precipitation ends, likely just before midnight. This is how much rain we're expecting today alone. Generally, along into the south of I-96, we could see over an inch of rain, but there will be a very sharp cutoff off to the north, where less than a half an inch of rain will fall toward US 10. The main weather story, though, will be tomorrow. We have a 13 weather impact alert for accumulating snow, very strong winds, leading to blizzard-like conditions beginning tomorrow morning. So the morning commute tomorrow looks to be pretty treacherous. Plan on extra travel time, and I wouldn't even be shocked if there's a few power outages along the lakeshore. This is not just impacting us here at home, but also off to the north. Blizzard warnings for much of the UP, winter storm warnings off the north. Right now, we're in a winter storm watch. I do expect that to be upgraded to either a warning, if not possibly a blizzard warning along the immediate lakeshore. Here's a storm system right now. Warm front off to our south leading to widespread rainfall that we'll see today. There's that low pressure system, though, well to the southwest. That will move into Michigan, and as it moves to the east, colder air will follow that, leading to lake effect snow and blowing conditions. Lake effect snow is likely heading into tomorrow morning, leading to very treacherous travel, very low visibility, whiteout conditions at times, and very strong winds as several inches of snow will stack up across West Michigan. We're looking at two bullseyes, north of Muskegon toward Ludington, where 6 to 8 inches of snow could fall, and another one over Allegan County. However, if you live along and to the west of US 131, at least expect 4 inches of snow to fall on Monday alone. The main weather story, though, on Monday will be the wind. It will get very windy, especially in the morning hours. Wind gusts will approach 60 miles per hour along the lakeshore, leading to near whiteout conditions for much of Monday before the winds die down heading into Tuesday. Today, though, we will be fairly warm for this time of year, pushing into the 40s, if not near 50 degrees from Grand Rapids to the south, maybe even 60 toward I-94. 7-day forecast shows that weather impact alert on Monday, with lake effect snow continuing into much of this coming week.